Hi, this is Riley, and this is Torrevieja news for Monday, the 4th of May. And before I begin, I have to wish a very happy Star Wars Day to my fellow Jedi friends. May the 4th be with you. Now, to the news, and we start with some incredible bravery right here in town. A local police officer has been hailed a hero after diving into the sea near the Juan Aparicio Promenade to rescue a 19-year-old woman. She had fallen into the water and was being battered against the rocks by strong waves. The officer didn't hesitate, jumping in to keep her afloat until more help arrived. Thankfully, they were both pulled to safety, though they did need treatment for some cuts and bruises. Staying local, we have an update on those summer parking plans. It looks like only one of the 4 planned park and ride facilities will be ready for the upcoming holiday season. The site at Asequion is expected to be operational, providing around 400 spaces, but the other 3 locations are facing delays. It's a bit of a blow for traffic management, so the council is looking at ways to make the most of that single site for now. In some quite unusual employment news, a Torrevieja council worker is actually taking legal action to demand productivity bonuses while being off on long-term sick leave. The employee argues they should still receive these payments, but the council is firmly resisting, saying that productivity pay is meant for those actively doing the work. It certainly sparked a bit of a debate at the town hall. Widening out slightly to the rest of the province, if you were planning a trip to the capital soon, just be aware that access to Santa Barbara Castle in Alicante will be limited for the next 3 weeks. They are carrying out some essential maintenance on the lifts that take visitors up the rock face. You can still get up there on foot or by bus, but the lift service is going to be out of action until the work is finished. Moving into some of the more serious news, the High Court has upheld a massive monthly fine against the company responsible for our local rubbish collection and street cleaning. Acciona will have to pay 135,000 euros every single month because the quality of the service just hasn't been up to scratch. It's a significant ruling that shows the authorities are getting serious about keeping our streets clean. Finally, we're seeing a bit of a crackdown on illegal building. The prosecutor's office is bringing the first cases to trial regarding unauthorized construction in rural areas. They are looking at several properties that were built on protected land without the right permits. It's a clear signal that the rules for building in the countryside are going to be much more strictly enforced from now on. That's a quick look at what's happening around Torrevieja today. It's a bit of a mix of local heroism and some firm action being taken on city services. I'll be back with another update for you on Tuesday evening. If you want to find out more about these stories and others, visit thisistorrevieja.com. Enjoy your evening, and once again, may the 4th be with you.